Oh boy, the check engine light is on. You're driving, it comes on, you think, oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do? Pull over? No, this is an emissions thing, and a number of things could be causing this. But one of them, and the least expensive, is a faulty gas cap. I'm going to hope that is the reason why I have this check engine light on, and I'm going to go buy a new gas cap and see if that solves it. Okay, so I just bought this gas cap. It was like $21 plus tax, $24. If I go to a dealership, they're going to charge me $250 just to hook the car up to a computer and look for some codes about what it could be. But hopefully this $24 investment is all I needed. So let's put it on and check it out. Okay, so here's the old gas cap right there. It's a tethered gas cap. And we'll just take that off. And you see right here, that's a valve. And that might be the part that's making the check engine light come on. So that's why I'm going to replace this. So first I got to remove the old gas cap, and it's on a tether. So I'm just going to, I think I could just break this tether with my hand here. And just pull out this piece with some needle nose pliers. Yeah, actually it pushes right through. And, all right, so we got that piece out. And just take it off, like so. So this was the old one, and I'm hoping that, you can see there's grime on there. And I'm just hoping that, over time, it kind of wore down the gas cap, because this kind of regulates, keeps emissions out, from coming into the atmosphere, and also helps pressurize the gas tank. So we're just going to get the new one now. So this is the new one. This also has a tether on it, and then it comes with these little buttons to adhere the tether to the arm of the door. Okay, there's the inside of the new gas cap. There's the valve right there, and there's a nice, looks like some type of washer to help seal it. And so we're just going to hope that this is it. And this is also the one that says tighten to click, so when we click we should know that it's secure. Okay, so again, got the tether, and got this little cap here. You can see that cap, and it goes something like this. And I'm just going to push that in. So I'm just using my fingers here. Okay, so then the next thing is just put the gas cap in. I'm going to line it to where the little slot in there. Okay. And tighten. All right. Okay, so moment of truth now. Okay, so let's turn on the engine. Okay, no check engine light. It's a success. I'm not saying that this is always going to be the case for you. If it's a flashing, check engine light, then you need to get that in. That's something else. But the light I had on was emissions, and the emissions were leaking through the gas cap. So new gas cap solved that. So that's the first thing I would go to if your check engine light comes on, and see if that handles it. Okay, thank you for watching.